So I knew pretty early on which artwork I kind of wanted to have as part of this exhibition. I knew I didn't want to push myself too much and try and create something new just because I was so busy in the lead up to May and the start of May that I knew it just wasn't achievable for me. But saying that, I still, these works, I still love them and they're still really relevant to what I'm doing. So I decided that I'm just going to hang these. So I was just gauging out the space and seeing if I kind of liked it, hanging just the two of them, because I've kind of shown them a few different ways. Good morning. It is install day, so it's a very exciting today. It is currently just after 9:30 and I am to be at my studio for 11 to start the install with the group. So printer ink. So I picked up some printer ink and then I went along to see how everyone was getting along because a few people were dropping off their work last night. And then today is the main install where we're all gathering at 11 o'clock and I think till about 3 or just whenever we kind of get finished. So I'm kind of happy with my space and everything. Mine's quite simple to get on the wall, but we've got a few people's artwork who's a little bit more complicated in figuring out how to hang it. So that's kind of the challenges of today. But my job this morning before I go is to print off some labels for the exhibition because I did it last night. However, let me just get it. So I kind of have these stock of like clear labels I've had since my degree show and I've kind of used them for exhibitions since. But as you can see, the printing didn't go very well last night. It was misaligned and I was running out of printer ink, hence why I got some more ink last night. So this morning I need to print off these labels to go beside everyone's work, and we've just kind of gone for like, this is a very bad example, but like just people's names, because we have a catalogue with the image of our pieces and then our little bio, like a little bio to explain a bit more about our practice, and then the name of the pieces. And then we've also got a QR code which I'm going to print out on an A4 version of this, like so it's clear and it'll stick onto the wall. So then it's also like a digital version of our catalogue because we don't want to, basically we didn't have too much budget for printing, so we decided just to do like 2 big catalogues and then everyone else can do digital. So I think that's absolutely fine, especially for the opening. So I got to do that this morning. So yeah, I'm really excited for this install. I think it's going to be really exciting and just kind of get everyone finally all together because we've been chatting about this for months and kind of preparing for it. So I'm really excited to kind of see everyone, and then also my +1 Natalie. It'll be nice to see her and get her work hung up on the wall. If I haven't explained this a little bit before, so the exhibition is called 1+1 and it's basically 11 artists who kind of are currently based in our studio. So there's 11 artists and we've all invited a +1. So there's 22 artists showcasing their work in our studio. So our studio is a bit of an unconventional space where it's an old furniture store. So we managed to clear out the bottom like big kind of area, and an organisation, Circus Art Space, has let us use their kind of front space and their walls. So it's a bit more of a better setup for like an exhibition and a showcase. So really thankful to them. And then also they've given us £60 for like food and beverages and stuff for the opening. So it's been great to be supported by them. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really thankful to everyone for this opportunity. So I'll see you there.
Trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, trying to
So when I arrived on the Saturday for install, a lot of people already had started hanging. They were in the night before, just because there's 22 of us in this exhibition and we all had different schedules. So some people it was just easier to come in the night before. But I kind of knew how I wanted to hang it, so I just decided to get started and get hung. To be honest, my process for hanging, I've kind of in the swing of it now. I've done it so many times. I also used to work in an art centre when I was doing my fine art degree, so I gained a lot of experience in curation and hanging artwork, and especially how to package. As you see, I've got little corners on my paintings, and packaging artwork is something I learnt at the Elgin Museum when I was studying. So all these things come so in handy when you're out of art school and you're beginning to do exhibitions. Decided to throw my third one in. There's something about threes that I love visually, and I just felt that two on the wall, it just didn't take up enough space. And especially because we've got Lewis's work beside me, which is absolutely stunning, but it's quite colourful. So I felt that my work was quite quiet and maybe needed something else. So I added in the third one and just played around with the order of them and how I wanted to hang them. So I was happy with the final order of the paintings. I think when you're hanging an exhibition, my best piece of advice is try not to overthink it. I know that's easier said than done, but I just stick to nails, a hammer, and I just try and eyeball it because you can fix it afterwards. So when you're hanging, you want to have everything sort of eye level, because you don't want to hang it too high. And we were all kind of doing a bit of a centre hang for this exhibition. So I knew roughly where I wanted them in line with Lewis's and Ross next to me. So the process of hanging was just quite simple and it doesn't take me too long. And then I just measure the distance between my canvas hangers on the back of my paintings and the height of the top of them, and then I know. And as soon as I get one of them, because they are all the same size, I just duplicate my nails on either side and it becomes really easy. I say easy, but it's just kind of one of these things you kind of learn from experience and hanging. I kind of got these up quite quick and then I fiddled around with them just to make sure they were right. So I got them up and then I sorted them afterwards. And then I just kind of went along and helped everyone else.
Trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Kinda tired, trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Has never hit the same end.
No, she can drop me right now. I did.
I did that pretty fast.
Read it.